Now, the consequences of climate change are already being felt across the globe, and France is no exception. There is an urgent need to anticipate and prepare for these impacts by adapting to a changing climate. Now, Paris is doing so by growing plants capable of adapting to climate change. France's National Court of Audit's annual report last month was devoted almost entirely to adapting to change. One thing needed to counter global warming is to grow more plants. At its nursery in Western France, the National Forests Office is studying and breeding tree species capable of adapting to the global warming and destined to populate the French forests of tomorrow.
L'intérêt de tester ou d'évaluer des espèces qui nous sont communes.
The point of testing or evaluating species that are common to us or close to us, but which today grow in warmer and drier climates, is the idea that the forests of tomorrow will also be in this type of climate. But we will have species whose behavior and adaptation we know a little more about, so that we can reconstitute the future gaps in our forests.
Pour reconstituer nos forêts dans lesquelles il y aura des trous.
The scientists in this nursery say that a forest that is struggling to regenerate, a forest that is dying, is a forest that is going to release carbon. And so their mission is also to ensure that French forests remain in a healthy state of development that enables them to store carbon sustainably. Seeds are grown in these nurseries for experimental plantation to measure and assess the potential of the trees to adapt to their climate.
Sur le merisier, c'est de l'amélioration génétique.
With wild cherry, it's genetic improvement. We have trees that have been selected for their shape, growth and resistance to disease. So we crossbreed them to produce seeds that are better than those found in nature.
De façon à avoir de la graine.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.